Good morning. Happy Sunday, team. I was playing around with our new calendar, and you all had received a link to this. So you have access to the schedule 24/7. And so this is the training schedule, and it has TK, which is in, hold on, the green is corporate. Team building is in blue. Spanish is in red, and presentations are in pink. Okay. So I was going through here because sometimes I will get notifications from other leaders, trainers in the company about upcoming trainings. And I thought, well, let's go to the calendar and see if it's on here. So this way you can plan in advance. This is another way that you can block time for your business. Get on to the trainings that mean the most to you and fit them into your daily, weekly, monthly schedule. So the one that caught my eye was digging in after setback. So I went ahead and I clicked on it, and I was able to share this to my calendar. So I went to my Google Calendar, and there it is. How perfect is that? Okay. So with this, okay, I'm not going to save this because I've already saved it on my calendar, but let's do another one. So I'm going to go back to Team Up. And let's see. All right. All Things Cruises with Krista Wiley is amazing. So if you're thinking about anything cruising, this is a training I definitely would tap into. It's every Monday. Okay. And there's a new topic every Monday. Disability travel. This is awesome because this is a niche that you could incorporate into your niche. There's a lot of travelers that need special considerations. Maybe they need they have mobility issues. Maybe they have equipment or medication, or they need to know places that they can travel to that they can have the experience and everything that they're looking for. So I'm going to add this to my calendar. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to share it, and I'm going to put it on my Google Calendar. Now I know on August 3rd at 1 o'clock, I have this on my calendar. All right, let's go back. Let me go ahead and close that. And close that. Oh, what happened to my, okay, there's my team. Okay, so disability. How to make $1,000 in commissions in 1 month. Heck yeah, let's go to it. And I'm going to put it on my calendar. And I'm going to save it. Okay. Travel booking Q&A with Patrice is amazing. This is something, even if you're driving or you're not really going to be in an area, you're not going to be home. I have listened to the travel bookings Q&A while I'm driving, while I'm in a doctor's office. It really connects you. Listen to what other questions are being asked. And maybe it will lead you to going, oh, I thought about that. Or this is an opportunity where you can come and ask any booking questions that you might have. So let's put that on the calendar. This is a great way. The beginning of the month is a great way for you to come in. Oh, did I save it? Let's double check. Share. Google Calendar. I'm going to save it. I might have did it. I might have did it twice. Okay, hold on. Where did it go? Okay, let's go make sure that these are popping up on my calendar. They should. Let's check. Just to make sure. Hold on. Okay, so that's today. There's my okay, so see how I have the specialty training in there twice? I'm going to take one out. Okay, because I put it in there twice. All right. I live by my calendar. All right. Coffee with Krista. Oh my gosh, this is a time where we as agents can come in and we can just talk about everything under the sun. Not necessarily is it a training, but we can share experiences, share what's going on. Maybe you're having one of those horrible, no good, very bad days or weeks. Come, let us in. So I'm going to put that on my calendar. Okay. Profit Pool with Ashley and Christina. This is corporate. And this is amazing. This is if you're looking at getting a piece of the profit pool, which means building a team and helping others with having their own travel business. Okay. Travel ads. I'm going to check that out. Now, I do have a much more open calendar than maybe you do. So this is your time to choose what would be best for you. Okay. If you need some help with that, let me know. Right? We can go over the calendar together. Systems for Success. Let's check that out. We all need systems in place, especially while we're building a new business. And seeing how others run their business and have their system set up, that will help you develop yours. Okay. What's this? Controlling your paycheck. Casey, this is an amazing training. You might have to attend this a couple times. We do have a way to control our paycheck. The timings that you are booking travel, if you want to, there's certain times of the year that you need to make a certain amount of money, what have you, well, then we need to be doing bookings prior to that. So this is an awesome training to tap into. This is how we get to control our paycheck, right? We're going to be coming up into wave season, which I will go into in a whole nother talk. New Agent Basics. This is great for you new agents. Or you know what? I'm going to put it on my calendar. It's been a while since I've been to the New Agent Basics. Let me see if there's anything different going on. But this literally walks you through. It's so important. These beginner classes, knowing how to maneuver through your back office, knowing where do you go to Travel Cafe? Where do you go for what? This is an awesome opportunity to learn your new agent basics. AI Mastery with Emily. This is a little more advanced. I'm not gonna kid. 1 second. Okay, hold on. This is teaching us how to use AI and use it inside of our business to do marketing. And Emily is really an amazing trainer, and I love it with working with her. Here's Casey again. This is posting together. Everybody will be on the Zoom, and you will learn how to post on social media, what to post on social media, and you'll be doing it together. Now, I sent everybody a link to this calendar. You should all have it in your email. If you don't, you need to let me know. Check your spam folders. Understanding series. I'm going to check that out. I'm not too for sure what it is, but I'm going to check it out. All right. And here's another booking Q&A in the evenings. Co-working. I'm going to check team building training. I'm going to check that out. All right. Flights 101 with Perla. I highly recommend attending this. There is so much more to booking flights than just booking a flight. What questions to ask? What are the different airlines? What do they have to offer? Just so much. Having the knowledge puts you in a better position of being a travel agent. Okay. I gotta set reminders. I'm probably gonna go back in here to set reminders. I love cruising. So here's Viking Cruise Lines with Casey, and I'm going to attend that. Let me make sure that my calendars okay, notification 30 minutes and 1 hour before. Perfect. So that means I'm going to get notified. So while I'm working, I'll get reminders of my upcoming trainings. Decoding room that Haley. This is amazing. This is decoding room categories. This means cruising, knowing what the different categories and the cabins are like. Absolutely. Okay. Royal Caribbean. Absolutely. One of my specialties is cruising, and I want to stay on top of what's happening. And other travel agents could know something new or something that I never thought of or something. So I want to tap in. Espanol. Q&A Espanol. Uh, that's kind of funny. I I do believe it's going to be in Spanish. I love this. Stop making excuses, start making money. Absolutely. Sometimes us agents are like, oh, I'll do that tomorrow. Oh, I'll do that next week. And then they wonder why they're not making money. Make time for what matters. Absolutely. So go ahead and save that. All right. And that's for this week. And that's what I'm going to concentrate on. Ooh, I want to do up early with Emily. I mean, Jody. Jody was our first $1 million travel booker. And she's just like me and you. Nothing special. She's an amazing person, don't get me wrong. But I'm just saying, she's just like me and you. There's no reason why you, me, and the next person is not booking $1 million in travel. All right, guys. That is it. New agent Q&A VPN leaders. You know what? I'm going to check that out. I am. All right. Let me show you what else too. Check this out. I have a reminder in my calendar to check my emails. I know it sounds silly, but it's not. So I need to check that. So I put tasks on my daily calendar of things that I need to get done. So Saturday I didn't check my emails. I did, but I didn't mark it off. And today. So I need to do that. Okay. This helps me stay organized. So clear this. Look in your emails. If you do not have the calendar, it's called Team Up. You can even have it on your phone. If you do not have that, reach out to me and I will make sure that you have the link. But check your emails first because I did send out emails yesterday to every single agent on our team. Have fun. Bye.